Welcome to the Materials Science lecture on crystal lattices. In this session, we will explore the fascinating world of crystal structures and their significance in materials science. By the end of this class, you will be able to recognize how atoms and molecules arrange into different types of structures, understand key features of crystal lattices, and identify various crystal systems and unit cell structures. A crystal lattice is a periodic 3D array of lattice points in space, defined by unit cell parameters. These parameters include unit cell lengths and angles, which are crucial for understanding the structure of metals and organic crystals. The unit cell is the smallest geometric volume used to build a complete 3D lattice. There are 7 space-filling crystal systems and 14 crystal Bravais lattices, each defined by specific lattice constants and angles. Here, we see the 7 crystal systems and 14 Bravais lattices, each with unique parameters. These systems are fundamental to understanding the arrangement of atoms in different materials. In 3 dimensions, we observe the 7 crystal systems and 14 Bravais lattices. Metals mainly form these structures, which are categorized into 4 types of unit cells: primitive, body-centered, face-centered, and side-centered. Let's take a moment for inquiry. Consider the number of Bravais lattices, crystal systems, and cubic crystal systems. Reflect on the lattice constants in the cubic system. A crystal structure is a 3D lattice built of repeating unit cells, with each lattice point having an atom or molecule associated with it. Metals usually arrange into structures like FCC, BCC, and HCP, and can also form amorphous solids with rapid cooling. Another moment for inquiry. Think about the number of Bravais lattices, crystal systems, and the minimum number of parameters needed in the cubic system. The basis is a repeating theme of one or multiple atoms placed on each lattice site. Combining the lattice with the basis forms the crystal structure, as seen in simple cubic and Po crystal structures. Crystal structure equals lattice plus basis. Here, we see examples of body-centered cubic and face-centered cubic lattices with Fe and Cu atoms, respectively. X-ray diffraction is a key method for determining crystal structure. Incoming X-rays diffract from the crystal planes, allowing us to measure critical angles and calculate planar spacing, which is essential for understanding material properties. Consider the possible number of orthorhombic Bravais lattices, atoms in the basis, and crystal structures. Reflect on these aspects to deepen your understanding. Another inquiry moment. Think about the orthorhombic Bravais lattices, atoms in the basis, and the infinite number of crystal structures possible. Let's recap the learning objectives. Recognize how atoms and molecules arrange into various structures, understand crystal lattice features, and identify different crystal systems and unit cell structures. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Add a comment below the video to share your thoughts and learnings. What did you learn from the video? What topic would you like to explore further? This presentation contains copyrighted material used under the Fair Use Doctrine for educational and commentary purposes. All rights belong to their respective copyright holders. Links are provided in the video description to relevant resources.